meet you.
Yes, and welcome to Mais Oui.
Thank you.
Yes, I'm Darryl.
Good to meet you, Dan.
Jerry.
Nice to meet you. Where are we in Jamaica?
We're in Discovery Bay, overlooking the Bueno Harbour.
This is the place that really fits the bill for where Christopher Columbus actually landed because the Rio Grande River comes right in right there.
Very cool. Tell me about what you've got going on here.
The main property is over here, but right now we're in the gardens. We have a multi-purpose court with tennis, basketball, and also pickleball. We have putt-putt golf. There's a medicinal garden over there.
Nice. And Darryl, tell me about this gazebo behind us.
This is actually special. It's a rainwater reclamation center that we have for the villa. It allows us to increase our carbon footprint so that we don't have to constantly use so much supplied water to keep all of this green as it is.
There's so much going on in the gardens. Guests probably never want to leave.
Yes, you're absolutely right, because there's so much.
Tell me about the spa, because that's quite special.
Our spa is outdoor. There are 3 cabanas, and the best part about it is the hidden outdoor tub and shower area.
So we've talked about the gardens.
Have 8 beautiful bedrooms. Let's go see them.
Okay, let's go. This is beautiful.
Thank you.
This is the highlight of the property, I imagine. And we've got a treehouse over there. I can see we've got a bar.
There's billiards upstairs, foosball. We have a gym.
And an outdoor theater. There are 8 bedrooms, and we're able to change the configuration of the various bedrooms to match the needs of the guests. The primary bedroom is a king bed, and there is a sitting room off of that, which can accommodate additional little ones. It has a full-size bed.
And you have staff here.
Yes, Mais Oui is fully staffed with chef, butler, housekeepers, and groundsmen. Our groundsman likes to give us a tour of the grounds and talk about the medicinal plants.
Well, it looks like the sun is about to set. Where's the best place to see the sunset?
On the upper level of the roof deck.
I'll follow you. Wow, this is beautiful. And is that a church over there?
Yes, it's been used in several movies. It's a quite famous church. I forgot to tell you about the beach. We have a private beach that's about a 2-minute walk from here.
Very nice.
As you know, we have a wonderful chef. I was wondering, would you like to stay for dinner?
I would love to. I want to finish watching the sunset because it's so beautiful, and then we can have some dinner. Sound good?
Yes, and we have a surprise for you.
Okay. Okay, I need a little bit of a clue.
Well, we just need for this sun to go down a little bit more.
Oh, okay.